Okay guys, we're going to be doing a flower today. So what we're going to start off with is the stem of our flower. That's the easiest bit, so we'll go with that first. So when you pump up the stem of your flower, just make sure you leave about 1 inch at the end, because you're going to need that little inch for later, okay? So we're going to start off by folding it about halfway down itself. Then we're going to take this end and fold that back on itself as well. So it should look a little bit like that. So you've got about half a foot at each end, okay? So we grab the middle, like so, and then we're going to twist. Now these are going to be the leaves of your stem. So that should look a little bit like that, alright? So we're going to pop that down, so we're going to move on to the flower now. So we're going to do our petals. So make sure you choose the right colour for your petals, whatever you want. When you pump up the balloon for your petals, you need to leave probably about 2 inches at the end, just so that you've got enough room, because to start with, we're going to tie the knot you made at the beginning to tie it up with the inch or two that you've left at the end, alright? So I'll do that now, tie that up. So you should have a circle shape, okay, when you've tied it up. Alright, make sure that's nice and tight. Now, when you've got your circle shape, just pop your thumb where you've tied it and bring them together so you've got a bit of a bow shape, like that. Then we're going to twist that together. We'll twist that together. Now we're going to do the same again. We're going to bring this one to the middle, to here, and then we're going to do the same on the other side. So this is the hard bit. You need to hold on to all of it together. You're going to grab 2 petals and you're going to twist those round. So you should have that kind of shape, so a bit like an X, alright? So now we're going to go back to our stem. Now we've already got our leaves and our main stem, but what we need to do now is that little inch that you've left at the end, we're going to make that into a ball. So I just want you to make a little ball at the end like that. Now you need to make sure you leave that bit at the end, because otherwise when you do this it will pop, alright? We're going to go back to our petals now, and what we're going to do is we're going to join these together. So you just pop that around the middle like that, and then we're going to twist it around one of our petals, just so it holds it there. And then you might need to give them a little bit of a move around, just so that you've got your petals in the right place. And that is your flower.